Got to get some water, people. Hydrate! All right, let's get ready. Let's end this show. NATV style. Make sure you show some love. Susie. NATV Network. All right, now, I don't want you letting those people get into your head. You watched enough videos on narcissism. It's time to get outside. It's time for you to dance again. Take a hike. Go for a run. Go swimming. Do something. NATV Network, SZTV Network, Crystal Tees TV. Gemma, The Life of Gemma. Blythe, and a whole lot more. Imperfect TV. All of them are coming to hit you in 2025. Much love to my man, Eric Jackson. Thank you, Eric. I'm going to get to your emails. We're going to turn them into videos and a whole lot more. We'll bring them into the show. Don't think you wrote me in vain. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, what else we got here? Oh, on the way out, just a reminder. Make sure you never forget our theme. One more time on the way out. Theme to NATV Network. This is our theme music. Your recovery is so important. You gotta dance it out sometimes. Why am I even talking? All right, we had fun. I got to go talk to everyone that's been on the show and some other stuff and finish a video for you. Look forward to that video in the next 3 hours coming your way. It's just for our subscribers, our viewers, and our members. If you're passing through, jump on in. You're going to have fun. Time to move on, people. You got this.